Let's take some time now to look at the slopes of horizontal and vertical lines. Now, we won't need to calculate these because they always have very specific slopes, but let's look intuitively at how we could find these slopes. So we'll start with our slope formula. Slope always equals the change in y over the change in x. Change in y over change in x. So given that we have x equals -5, we know that it's a vertical line where all x values equal -5. And so we just can pick any point. It doesn't matter, I just picked 2 on the graph, but we could use the point -5, 2. We could use the point -5, -2. We could use any 2 points on this line. As long as the x value is -5, we know the point. So we can pick any 2 points, and we'll go ahead and substitute them in. We'll classify this as x1 and y1, and x2 and y2. So we'll go ahead and take our values. That's a 2. So we'll take y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And what we get is -4 over 0. Well, recall that whenever we divide by 0, the answer is undefined. So all vertical lines have an undefined slope. Now, conversely, with vertical line or horizontal lines, again, all points have a y value of 2, so we could pick any 2 points on this line. I just have those 2 there. We have our slope, y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. And so we can plug in our values, 2 minus 2 over 0 minus 1. We end up with 0 over -1. Well, we can divide 0 by anything. That just equals 0. So all horizontal lines have a slope of 0. All vertical lines have an undefined slope.